we're going to explain how to fix the sh keygen is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file error. This error means your system can't find the ssh keygen command, which is crucial for generating SSH keys used for secure remote logins. The problem usually stems from a missing or incorrectly configured SSH client. Here's how to solve it, step by step. 1. Verify SSH installation. First, we need to check if the OpenSSH client is even installed on your system. This varies depending on your operating system. On Windows, open PowerShell or command prompt and type shv. If it's installed, you'll see version information. Otherwise, you'll get an error. On macOS and most Linux distributions, SSH is usually pre-installed. Type shv in your terminal to check. 2. Installing OpenSSH on Windows. If SSH isn't installed on Windows, you need to install it. Open the Windows search bar, type Turn Windows Features On or Off, and open the resulting control panel. Scroll down, find OpenSSH Client, check the box, click OK, and restart your computer. This will install the necessary components, including ssh keygen. 3. Installing OpenSSH on macOS, if needed. macOS typically includes OpenSSH, but if you're encountering this issue, it's likely damaged or not properly configured. You can try reinstalling it using Homebrew, if you have it installed. Brew update and in Brew reinstall OpenSH. If you don't use Homebrew, you'd need to reinstall macOS, which is a significant step, so check if Homebrew is a viable option. 4. Installing OpenSSH on Linux, if needed. The installation process varies widely depending on your Linux distribution. For Debian/Ubuntu-based systems, you'd typically use sudo apt update and sudo apt install OpenSH client. For Fedora, Red Hat-based systems, you'd use sudo dnf install OpenSH clients. Consult your distribution's documentation for the correct command if these don't work. 5. Path environment variable, advanced. In rare cases, even if OpenSSH is installed, the system might not be able to find the ssh keygen executable because the directory containing it isn't included in your system's path environment variable. This variable tells the system where to look for executable files. Modifying this is more advanced and requires careful attention to avoid system instability. This usually isn't the problem, so we address it last. If you suspect this is the issue, search online for Adding to Path Environment Variable, your operating system, for detailed instructions specific to your operating system. It involves adding the directory containing ssh keygen, typically something like /usr/bin or c/program files openh, to the path variable. 6. Restart your computer. After installing or making changes to your system, it's a good idea to restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. After completing these steps, try running ssh keygen again. If you still have problems, double-check your installation and the path environment variable. Providing more information, such as your operating system and any error messages you encounter, can be very helpful in getting more specific and targeted